Dear friends, now I am going to dictate Tamil Nadu examination paper of May 1978, second paper, that is elaboration at the rate of 100 words per minute. It is here 4 minutes dictation and you are going to write 4 letters. Only the thing content important but not omissions. Get ready. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited by Branch Manager Pallavan Transport Corporation Madras for purchase of new and old spare parts of Leland trucks and Willys jeeps and machinery from Pallavan Transport Corporation. Tender forms and other particulars to be obtained from his office on any working day during office hours on payment of rupees 20 by crossed postal order which will not be refunded. Last date for receipt of tenders 3 p.m. on 2nd December 1977. Tenders will be opened in presence of tenderers on 3rd December 1977 at Transport House, Anna Salai, Madras. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Leading international industry in Coimbatore invites applications for the post of telephone operator. Applicant to be graduate and should have passed English typewriting in lower grade, experience in operation of telephone exchange board, teleprinter and telex essential, attractive salary and fringe benefits offered, age between 25 and 35 years. Application within 7 days from the date of advertisement to reach box number 50, the mail Madras draft advertisement. Number 3. Draft petition to Commissioner of Police Madras City from residents of Secretariat Colony Madras 10 about cattle nuisance in their locality. Stray cattle trespass into private houses and cause damage to young plants and trees. Request immediate steps to round up stray cattle. Frequent visits of mobile and flying squads to the locality most essential. Draft reply from Commissioner stating that matter is receiving his earnest attention and that immediate steps will be taken to put down stray cattle nuisance. Cattle owners warned in the first instance that they would be prosecuted if their cattle roam about in streets and if there was no response from them, their cattle would be impounded. Also, both in morning and evening, mobile and flying squads and cattle vans will go round locality daily. Number 4. Draft advertisement for post of manager in Hindustan Lever Limited, Bombay 1. Applicant should have independently handle negotiations with financial institutions and be fully conversant with leading policies, operation of capital issues, control order, stock exchange regulations, etc. Chartered accountant with minimum of 5 years experience preferred, age 35 years, state salary and other benefits expected, should be prepared to take up appointment at short notice. No traveling allowance will be paid if called for interview. Application should be addressed to the personal director, Hindustan Lever Limited, Bombay 1, before 2nd December 1977.